Welcome to the 1099 ETC program. This tutorial covers printing the software-generated 1099 miscellaneous recipient copies in the W-2 1099 Forms filer. In the W-2 1099, there are two printing options: pre-printed or software-generated forms. Pre-printed means that you have the pre-printed forms and just need to print the data. Software-generated means the form and the data is printed on blank paper. The 1099 miscellaneous copy of forms are required to be printed on the red pre-printed forms. The recipient copies can be software-generated on blank paper. We recommend that you purchase the pre-printed forms or preferred blank paper from Nelco. Their phone number is 800-266-4669. Although we attempt to align the forms to the best of our ability, the forms may need to be aligned. This can be due to differences in printers, other vendor forms, paper, etc. This tutorial covers printing the 1099 miscellaneous forms using the software-generated forms. At this point, the pair has been created. The 1099 miscellaneous data has been entered. The blank paper is loaded in the printer. This is the main menu of the 1099 ETC program. Select W-2 1099 Forms filer. Highlight the pair, ABC Payroll, and click OK. This is the W-2 1099 Forms filer. Select Form. Select 1099 Forms. Select the 1099 miscellaneous form. This is the 1099 miscellaneous form entry screen. The data is entered and the forms are ready to print. If there is additional data to be entered, click Add Record. For the purposes of this tutorial, click Print. Click Form. This is the printer mode screen. This screen is used to designate how the forms are to be printed. Print modes 4 and 5 are for software-generated forms. You can set up different printers for each mode and preload the paper. These modes 4 or 5 will print the form and the data. If checked, Print Preview or Multiple Printing will display the print job on the screen prior to printing, and multiple copies of each form can be printed. Click Next to continue. This screen lists the output options for the pre-printed forms. For the purposes of the tutorial, select Recipient Output to up Copy B. This will print the data and the form on blank paper. Click OK. On the Record Selection screen, select the Employee options to print the appropriate forms. Please refer to the Help files for more information on the Record Selection screen. Click OK. The Preview dialog is used to view or print the forms, save the forms to a PDF file or print multiple copies. View is used to preview the print job on the screen prior to printing on the forms. The view can also be used for printers that cannot print directly to the printer. Print will print directly to the printer if there are no issues. If you are having trouble printing directly to the printer, use the View and Print from that screen. Save or print to a PDF file. Click View. The Print Preview will display the print job. The print selection was print using software-generated forms. The two-up recipient copies and data is reflected on the screen. You can print from this screen or close it and print from the prompt. Click Exit when the printing is complete. If you did not print from the Print Preview screen, click Print. Otherwise, click Quit. Click Quit. If you want to print multiple pairs at a time, you can use the Batch command on the W-2 1099 Forms filer menu. The process to print the forms is the same. You are just given the opportunity to select multiple pairs. And click Quit. Please review the frequently asked questions on our website, or refer to the help files for additional information. Technical support can be reached by email, fax or phone. Thank you for using the 1099 ETC program. Have a great day.